Next, I want to talk about the Pearson textbook. Okay, and I showed you in Canvas. I have loaded this up in Canvas under About Your Course. This is the Pearson Online Access Instructions. It tells you to go to Pearson. You're going to sign in. You're going to use your username, which will be your first name followed by your 5-digit number, your JCS number, and then your password. Once you're in, you can change your password. You guys that are in Math 1 are going to go, of course, to the Math 1 and then Math 2 to the Math 2. You can find virtual nerd tutorial videos there. I'm going to go there and show you in just a second. And I talked about this real briefly, but obviously our Pearson workbook is not a textbook. It's a workbook. You can write right in the workbook. It's made so that you can go to Pearson, watch the examples, and then write right in the book your notes. Now, I've also included videos, teacher instructed videos, so you can also go there and watch that and write right in your notebook. Okay? The QR reader, we're going to talk about that in just a second. Hold on. All right. Every chapter in your workbook, in every section, will have a little QR code. Now, if you go to your phone, your smartphone, and you download any QR reader, it doesn't matter which one, and I have one on my phone, if I can pull it up, just one that looks like this. There's my QR reader right here. I'm going opposite. And then you download the Virtual Nerd tutorial, the Virtual Nerd right here. If you have both those things and you download those apps on your phone, you can simply take your workbook, scan it with your phone, and a video will pop up for you to watch on the distributed property. So another great little resource for these lessons. Now, if you don't have a smartphone, you can watch these Virtual Nerd videos online at Pearson. You just go to Pearson Realize, use your login instructions. That's where you watch all the examples anyways, and at the bottom you'll see the video that you could have popped up on your phone. It will also be there. All right, let's go to Pearson real quick and just show you what it looks like when I log in. I'm going to click on Pearson Realize, and I'm going to click Sign In. And that's where you will sign in using your username and password that I gave you. Now, I've already signed in, so it just clicked right in for me, but it will ask you to sign in. You're going to go to your programs. I have 3 programs here for all 3 courses. If you're in Math 1, of course, you're going to do Math 1 or Math 2, depending on which one you're in. And once you click in here, you'll see all your chapters are here. So let's just go to Chapter 1, for example. And in Chapter 1, you're going to see all the sections, 1-1, 1-2, 1-3. So let's just look at 1-1 first, since we're talking about that. You will see I have a teacher e-text because I have the teacher view, but you'll see your student e-text. If you don't have your workbook yet, your student e-text is right there online. You can click through it. It just has all the pages just like your workbook does. Okay, and here's where you get to walk through the module for Pearson. So 1-1, it will give you a little lesson on the Solve It problem. It'll give you the key concepts, and then you can go here, for example, to the first problem. It will be the example problem, and it will walk you through it.
You'll simplify expressions.
I pushed the wrong pause button. I thought I pushed pause on that. I pushed pause on this video. Okay, so you can watch the video examples here for each of the problems in your workbook. And then, like I said, at the bottom of this module, you'll see that Virtual Nerd tutorial. So the one that you can pull up just on your phone with the QR reader, you can also just come here and watch it. So I would click on this, and then we'll pull up a video on the distributed property, and I can watch that. And it pulls up.
Take a look at the other expression.
A woman teaching the
simplify
distributed property. All right, let's get out of this. So great things in on the Pearson website. Make sure you go there and explore the website. I may assign a few online quizzes. I will give you directions to go to Pearson, but they will be these Pearson online quizzes. If I assign them throughout the module, I will give you notification and let you know.